Starting off in easy seat, lengthen your spine, lift the crown of your head, place your palms down or up. Set an intention today to create harmony for both your body and your mind. Take a deep breath, then bring your hands to heart center, offering a moment of gratitude. Keep your eyes closed or slowly open them, and as you inhale, reach your left arm up and over for a side bend. Switch to the other arm, lengthening through the side of your torso. Let's repeat this on both sides, deepening the stretch if possible. Next, we'll gently twist the torso to the left, then to the right. Return to the center and take another deep breath. On your next inhale, press the sternum forward, drawing your shoulders back towards your spine for cow pose. And we'll start with the seated cat-cow. So exhale, spread the shoulder blades away from the spine, hollowing out the belly. Bring the chin towards your chest. We'll do this for a few rounds. Let this flow for a few rounds, moving with your breath and energizing your body. Once finished, neutralize the spine, press down your knees, lean forward into a seated forward fold. Crawl your hands back and sit back onto your heels and thunderbolt. Feel free to turn in your mat. From here, reach and forward fold. Pressing your hands into the mat, lift your hips, press back into downward facing dog. On your next inhale, lift the right leg, bend at the knee, bring the heel towards the glute in a scorpion, and float the leg forward, hovering the knee below the chest. Inhale, lift the leg behind you, twist. Exhale, release to the left. And inhale, bring it towards the middle, step the foot down, bringing up to warrior one. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat, step back to downward facing dog. Push forward into a plank, lower down to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog, and switch. Scorpion dog, then hover and twist. Bring it up, back to the other side, up, and warrior one. Raise the arms up, bending at that front knee. Bring the arms down, step back into downward facing dog. Hover over plank, bring it all the way down, chaturanga, upward facing dog, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Crawl the hands back, forward fold, hold for a minute. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, release. Hands to heart center. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, crawl the hands forward into plank. Bring it all the way down, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Curl the toes under, downward facing dog. Step on your tiptoes. Bring your right foot up to warrior two. Flip the front palm. Bring it all the way back for reverse warrior. Bringing the knee to the elbow. Reaching for an extended side angle pose. Bring the hand down and then straighten the front knee for an extended triangle pose. And if you want to take a bind here, you certainly can. Bending at that front knee again. Bring both of the hands down, pressing back to downward facing dog. Then switch. Bring the left leg up, step it forward to warrior two. Reach the hand to a side ankle pose. Then bring your hand from your knee down. Try to keep your balance here if possible. Straighten in the front leg to extended triangle pose. Utthita Trikonasana. Bending at that front knee, grounding yourself. Try to take a bind here if possible. Using your front knee as that anchor, and step back to downward facing dog. We're going to take a couple turbo dogs here, so bending at those knees, bring the knees closer to the chest, then back to plank, all the way down, chaturanga. Then take a couple of push-ups here. Just took about 4 or 5, easing yourself into them. but feel free to stay in plank here. Then bring it back to downward facing dog. Hover over, bring the knees down, reach into child's pose. Curl the toes under, bring it back to plank, bring it all the way down, chaturanga, upward facing dog, down. We're going to take cobra here, forearms down to the mat. Then we're just going to grab the soles of our feet, take another back bend here for bow pose. Bring your feet down, pressing back to downward facing dog. Bring the knees back, toes touching, stretching in a child's pose. Sitting back, crossing the feet. We'll take just a seated position here, getting ready for a forward fold. And let's take a couple of side bends here as well. Breathing through the poses, but also energizing the body. Take a few twists here as well. Gazing behind you, reaching the arm up, and gazing on the other side, turning, twisting, reaching the arms up, seated forward fold. Feel free to also reach for your shins here if it's hard to reach forward. Don't force. Bring it all the way down and reaching your feet up. Then we're going to alternate, bringing each leg up and down. Then we're going to reach both of the legs up, trying not to strain our neck here, reaching forward and bring it all the way down. I'm going to take fish pose here and into bridge pose. So feel free to stay in fish pose if you'd like. Or you can go into bridge. And if you're in bridge, try to get in your tiptoes if possible. Slowly bring yourself down, being easy on your neck and your back. Keeping your knees bent here. We'll bring one leg up and reaching towards the foot. Twisting slightly, strengthen the obliques and the core. We'll do this 5 times, alternating each leg. Bring both of the feet down and windshield wiper your knees side to side. Bring your knees close to your chest, rocking side to side. And release to Shavasana. Palms facing up. Let your feet release. Take a couple of breaths here. Moment of gratitude. And we'll slowly bring ourselves up. Feel free to close your eyes here. Sit back in a seated position. Hands to heart center. Namaste. See you in the next video. Thank you.